Welcome back. In the previous lecture, we managed to create the relation between the tables using the many-to-many relation. So in this lecture, we're going to create the relation between the models. But first, let's go to the PHP MyAdmin and make sure we have the three tables we migrated. So I'm going to click on this. And here we have the role user, the users and the roles. Let's go to the role user, browse. If you try to insert something, you'll see we have this role ID column. You can browse foreign keys and also the user ID. So as you can see, we have some users on that table. So everything is fine. Now let's deal with the relation between the models. So in the terminal, actually you don't need any model, you have created already. Let's go to the app. So I'm going to close this. So split right and then split left. Now we have these tables. So on the user model, we are going to get the roles that belong to the user. So get the roles that belong to the user. So that means you're going to place the roles method on the user's model. So function, that is the method, which is roles, because the user has many roles, so it must be in plural. Return this. So this one should be returned. There's a typo. So we said the many-to-many uses belongs to many for relation. So belongs to many, and here we're going to use the role. That is the role class. Remember, you can pass the second argument by adding that pivot table, which is role user, like that, and save. Let's go to the role model. So here we're going to get the users that belong to the role. So get the users that belong to the role, and the method users. So return that is belongs to many. So this one belongs to many user class. Pass a second argument, role user. And that's it. Save. So everything is working fine, and I'll see you in the next lecture.